Well, last night we adjusted the valves out, did that repair. There was one hose clamp that got on there, didn't get on seated right, so I got a small coolant leak. We're going to be fixing that today, but right now, going after the infamous switches, which like to stick. Turn signal on this one likes to stick. Doesn't really cancel, so we're going to take it apart, get it cleaned up, and then move on to the next project. Today's gonna be a busy day. We're gonna adjust the windshield out. We're gonna look at the brakes. We want to check the tire pressures, and a bunch of all other little things. We're gonna drop the windshield. That means I gotta move the lights down. I gotta rewire those, add some wire, so that they fit a little bit below the triple clamp. So, hang tight. Once in a while, these things like to get boogered up. Loosen. They strip out real easy. It looks like it has been stripped out. There's a couple ways I can loosen it up. Back in a few moments. So my buddy just showed up to the shop. First screw didn't want to come out, second one did, so he showed me the coolest thing in the world. I've used impact drivers and impact hammers before. This is the coolest one in the world. We just stuck it in here, beat the tar out of it, kind of like this, and it came loose. So, we are going out to lunch, or breakfast rather. I'm going to come back, finish working on this shit. Deuces.
Yeah, and he's 100% sincere. He doesn't say shit he doesn't mean. Yeah, no, it's great because me and him rarely get a chance to put our heads together. So it gives us a chance to, work on the future together. So we got a lot of stuff done, and it was a really good visit. And that was only 2 days. Nationals is coming up, and it's going to be even better. Yeah. We're looking at locking, and it's probably going to be like the end of July or the first week of August. He's got to go back and run it through them, and then go from there. So, right. He's going to find it. I think they already know where a hotel is, or they've already got one picked out because they go there on it seems kind of regular basis. So, and he's going to get it. That way they got convention room kind of deal. Yeah. Yeah. Well, he wasn't here. He didn't get here until right in the middle of the recovery meeting Saturday. So, yeah. Y'all getting off early today?
You ain't gonna white list grease, do you?
No.
Anything equivalent to it?
This red grease, have dielectric grease, have green grease in that grease cooker.
I dusted one day when I decided to fix my turn signal on the Cali. All we had was motor oil. We put it in there. Motor oil. Lasted 2 years. Still's working perfect. That's why I like going to this. The grease gums up after a while.
Yeah.
Yay, now you don't have to yell at me for having my turn signals on all the time. Or if you do, I would deserve it. And then we'll go back together. I'd like to personally thank my other friend with the VTX who taught me everything about these switches on his bike. Anytime you're gonna buy a bike, buy one that your friend has that you've worked on. Let them front that bill.
You buy one from your friend to let him do all the work first.
We tried that once. He was selling his first VTX.
Yeah.
And man, that was a gorgeous bike.
That black one?
That one with the flames on there.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. And that, my friends, I hope I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. Oh! Like, I do a full job look back, find out I'm not recording. I've done that a few times. Again, I don't take the channel too seriously. I have fun putting it out there. I get people once in a while, well, you know, you could have this, that, and the other. Well, dude, how much did you spend on it? You get some information on it?
Yeah.
You want to give me suggestions, comments? By all means.
Do me a favor.
This isn't the get a bitch at me channel.
Yeah. Man, you passed up a really good chance to shut the fuck up.
Right. So this will be VTX controls of turn signal, or lubricating and cleaning out the turn signal, and loopers about people bitching about shit when it's free.
That's just normal YouTube.
Right. And it's funny, it's like even in AA and all that other stuff, I'll plug it, you know. Oh, much better, yeah. Thank you for watching, and eventually be like 500 other videos about this bike. Ride safe, my friends.